Hi everybody, welcome back to Covert CEO, and I'm your host Tim Brenner. Today we're going to make a Smoky Old Fashioned, one of my favorite drinks to order with a cigar. And as I travel, whenever I try different restaurants, lounges, and bars, I always order the Smoky Old Fashioned. I want to taste it, I want to see what's different about it. It's just been my go-to drink for a long time, and I've had some really great ones, and I've had some that weren't so great. So today I'm going to show you my favorite way to make an old fashioned, and that's using wood chips. We're going to use bourbon soaked oak today. It gives it a really special flavor, and I'm going to use a smoke box. I'm also going to show you how to make one if you don't have a smoke box, but today we're going to use this. So I like to start off with a good bourbon or a good whiskey. A lot of people like the rye. Today I'm just going to show you with good old Jack Daniels. It's a very smooth, easy blend, low on calories. I like to put 4 shots in mine. After that, I take some sugar cubes. What you can do is just drop 2 sugar cubes inside there. And these are the sugar cane sugar cubes. And then I'll take some bitters. I use about 4 bitters. Mix that with a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And now we're ready to mutter it. You want to work this around and crush it up really good. Get it all fine. Get it all blended nicely. And next I pour in a cup of ice. You want to mix it really well. Once you feel the bottom of the glass getting really cold, you've mixed it enough. We're not quite there yet. There it goes. And now the glass. I like to use a very sturdy glass. I always feel the heavier the glass is, the better you think your alcohol is. So when I make something, I make sure I serve it in a sturdy glass. And I like to use a single ice cube in that. And I make my own ice cubes. This is just a good squared off cube. Put it inside the glass. And we pour the drink inside. Now for the smoky part. So this is a smoke box. We set this inside here. We take out the wood chips. We sprinkle them inside this little tray here, the smoke box tray. We turn our device on. We use a torch to fire it up and to heat it. As you can see, the smoke's already starting to come inside the box there. And the box will fill up with smoke. It will mix it nicely with our Smoky Old Fashioned and our ice cube there, so you're going to have the taste throughout your whole glass, your ice cubes, your ingredients. I can already taste it now. I can hardly wait to drink it. And while you're doing that, I use an orange slice. Peeled off here real nice. I do something a little different. I'll take this out of the smoke box. I'll rub it around the rim. Get all that nice orange juice on the rim of your glass. Next, we're going to flash the orange peel with a blowtorch. Let the heat release some of that oil. We'll place it inside this. And I always top it off with a cherry. These are Woodford Reserve's bourbon cherries. They're very good, very tasty. Problem is you can't just have one. You want the whole bottle once you start. I'll just reach in here, grab one of these special cherries. I put it on top. And it's back in the smoke box for the old fashioned. And again, I'll add some more bourbon oak, good old bourbon soaked oak barrel chips, just like that alcohol came from. And we light it on fire again. As you've seen from my episodes, I'm not shy of fire. I like fire. And you can see that inside this box again, it's starting to fill back up with smoke. This device just blows it straight into that box. It fills it full. And I love the smell of that. That's like the best aroma there is that burning of wood. Kind of reminds me of a campfire. So as you can see here, it's filling up with smoke nicely. You can see smoke coming out the creases and the cracks. It smells wonderful. I'm ready to drink this drink. And that's probably long enough. So I'll just unhook the smoke box or the smoking machine here. I'll let it sit in there for a couple seconds. And there you have it. My version of a smoky old fashioned. Wonderful. And I told you too, if you don't have the smoke box, you're not completely out of luck. Another way to do it, I took just a metal saw blade. You see, it's just a normal saw blade. It's about the size, it's a little bit bigger than what a glass would be. So I took the saw blade and I put it here on my bar. And then this is just a normal hickory chip that you buy for your grill to smoke with when you're smoking meat. So I'll place that there. I'll take my blowtorch. That's why I like the metal blade, so nothing catches on fire. Turn that down a little bit. And I catch this piece of hickory wood on fire. I immediately put my glass over the top of it. As you see, the same principle. It's filling up with the smoke right now. It's going to make that glass all smoky and toasty and nice. And I'll go back through and I'll just add the ingredients into that instead of smoking it all as a drink. Just the glass is going to be smoked in this. But as you see, glass smells wonderful. Your drink's going to taste really good. You're going to have that aroma as you sip on your bourbon, as you sip on your old fashioned. So this is the way I do it. If you like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comment section below. Until next time, everybody stay happy.